Hello friend, today I will tell you about another online earning website. If you want to earn from website, so this is a video for you. And I in this video I will tell full detail about earning website. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further earning apps. So let's start the video. So this I open already have open this website name is seeking alpha premium find to value stock to buy. And if you did all detail from this website. This is a big website for running app. You also read here the 5-star company for smart investor. This is the website five investor for smart investor. This is a website for investor. If investor invest in this website, so they will earn. So here there are some comment some small investor comment here. Right, we are Paul L. Scott TA also comment here. These investor, they are investors seeking funds my daily red phone. I cannot live without Karen Bay says this is a big earning app website. So join at 22,000 subscriber today here. And if you want to create your account, so I give you information. You just first of all enter your email, and second box you confirm your email, and third inbox you create your password. And here choose your plan. For example, 300 3 year for 3 year 40 15 dollar, and 1 year for $19. So here also more information for payment method for your card name. Here you enter and card number. Here in this box you enter, and expiry date. You have enter security code. And here you enter your phone number and country as you live in your country. And other box have you enter here optional address, city also optional if you want to enter city name or not. State, province enter here, and and enter here zip code of your province. Also check your box, and then start. Then you have create your account. So this is the earning app website. This is seeking alpha premium. So guys, I hope you will understand from this earning app. You create your account and earn from this website. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.